Hey guys, it's Maymay and it's time to reveal our Stamp of the Month Club set. And this set is the one that ships on the 6th of the month. We actually have two clubs. The second one ships on the 21st, that's our Scripture Club, but this one is the one that ships on the 6th of the month. And if you're interested in any of our stamp clubs, there's a link below. You get a discount on this set, you get a discount on other things when you purchase in the store by being a member, but I'll have a link so all of that will be explained for you below. So this is our, are you excited? I'm totally excited. This is our club set for the month. Are you ready? This set is called Happy Hibiscus. That's right, Happy Hibiscus. Notice my new packaging. All the stamp sets are going to be switched over to new packaging too, so you can see what it's going to look like. So you'll be seeing that coming out real soon. This set gives you layering hibiscus, okay? You get two sizes. You get this little guy on the bottom and this bigger guy in the corner. Then you have layers for it. You have some veins here, or you know the striations that hibiscus have, that's the striations here for both. You also get leaves that nestle onto both. And we gave you another leaf in case you wanted a palm leaf. You've got some solid palm leaves with some veins that go inside those in two different sizes. And then these little dots are the little pieces that go on top of the little stem that come out of the hibiscus. And just for fun, because we could, we gave you one hibiscus that you could color if you'd rather, okay? So for layering purposes, if you want to use the leaves or whatever, you can use this one, or you can just use all the layered pieces and make yourself a beautiful hibiscus. Say beautiful hibiscus a couple times. So there will be samples of how this is laid out on the website. So in the product description, you'll be able to see. Mandy's going to make some images for you to see how they layer so you can see what they look like, but I have also made samples for you today. Oh, there's also these little tendril pieces, so if you want to kind of make an arrangement and fill in some little tendrils. And there's an SVG file for you guys for this one. It's a free SVG, so if you want to cut these out, you can. And I'll just say this until there is a die. That's all I'm saying. I'm saying that. I can't believe I even said it, but I did. Let's look at some samples. Ready for this? This is my first sample I have for you today. I love these these palm leaves in the background. Let me bring them up close so you can see the veins in the middle as well. And I did the veins in black. I wanted it to be kind of dark back there. So I have some small green and some bigger green, and then the veins are done in the black. And then look at the hibiscus. They're so happy and pretty there on the front of the card. And this one says, I am missing you. Now, I'm in a hurry with these samples because I'm leaving on vacation and I'm trying to make sure I get these done before I go. And I should have moved these guys over just a little bit to give myself some more sentiment room, but I didn't. But you're going to forgive me, right? So if you make this card, move your flowers over and give yourself a little more sentiment room, but it still works. There's that one. This one I made using the coloring one. I want to show you this. I'm wondering if you guys want to see a tutorial of how to do this coloring. I kind of looked up on this kind of technique, if you could call it a technique. It's not really a technique, but if you would like to see how I did the coloring, I could do a separate video on this. But I love how these colored hibiscus turn out. They are gorgeous, and you can do them in any color. And this is using the outline stamp. Love how this one looks. But can I tell you that I think my favorite sample from the whole set has nothing to do with hibiscus? Oh my gosh, this totally happened by accident. Do you see this set? And you're like, Maymay, there's no hibiscus on there. You're exactly right. These are the striations or the veins for the center of the flower. And when I was stamping them, I was like, these would make perfect fireworks. And they do. So you not only can use it for your hibiscus, your coloring, and your layering, now you got fireworks. How cute is that? And I know you're going to ask me, this is the cutest paper in the world, and it comes from this set right here, which is called Red, White, and Blue from Michelle Coleman. Photo play paper. Oh, let me bring that where you can actually see it. I think I did a flip through of this one on my channel. I'm pretty sure we did, but this paper's gorgeous. Grab some while we've got it. It will probably discontinue. You know how those papers do. But how fun. Let me show you what that actually is. That is actually this one and this one. And what I did was I stamped one in red and one in blue, and then I heat embossed in Nouveau glitter. Look at that. They're fireworks. How funny, right? So after I did this on the page, I walked around to the staff and said, what are these? And everyone went fireworks. And I'm like, yes, they are. I love it. So there's your stamp for this month as a club member. This is the Happy Fireworks. This one is your Happy Hibiscus. And this one, I just did to show you a cool coloring technique. I hope you enjoyed that. I really want to show you how to do it. It was fun. It's time consuming the way I did it, but I think it was super fun. Oh, I want to show you this way too. I didn't even tell you. Would you believe I did this with my finger? When you're in a hurry, you learn different things. This inking, the two different colors, I actually literally did with my finger. If you want to see me do it, I'll show you. It's not a real technique, and some people would freak out because you know what? Use what you got, and we got these things, right? All right, thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys really enjoy this set. It is already on its way to you. And if you want to get the SVG file, I'll have a link to where you can get that below. Thanks so much for watching. See you again next time. Bye-bye.